I think a really good thing with OTT is that the love doesn't stop coming because people can just watch it like 10 months later, 1 year later, 2 years later. So there are always new responses coming. So it's a lot of fun. It's a very different way of like a release of a film. I'm also working with Puri Jagannath sir on my first pan-India film, which is again full-on masala, fun, everything. So I'm just really excited now for things to just come out and for people to see. I think my fitness mantras actually changed a lot during the lockdown because I actually wasn't a person who would like work out regularly and stuff. But I think I had the wrong idea of what working out was. You know, someone who I think is super fun with fashion, and that's what I really like, is Jacqueline Fernandez. I think Ishan is really fashionable. He has a really cool sense of style, and I think he can pull off like really cool things like bucket hats and like those bomb bags but over here, and I think that's really like cool. And I'm working with Shakun Batra, who's like a dream director. Like he was literally on my bucket list and I got to tick it off. So for me that was like a very special feeling.
Alright, so today I have with me the very amazing Ananya Pandey joining in. Hello Ananya.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I am doing really well. How about you?
I'm happy. I have an amazing view in front of me, so I'm very blessed and lucky.
I believe you're shooting right now and you're in Goa, right?
Yes. I've been here for like 40 days, but I can't complain because it's just amazing.
Yeah, I'm sure. Alright, so usually whenever we get to interact with all of you, हम films के बारे में बहुत बातें करते हैं, हम career के बारे में बातें करते हैं, but this time is going to be a little different क्योंकि हम इस बार आपके fashion के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं because you're from this generation and people sort of really look up to you also for the fashion choices and all of that. So we're going to talk a little about that. So first of all, I want to know, since you're endorsing a shoe brand, what is it like to be in Ananya's shoes?
I think my shoes, it's very chill to be in my shoes. I feel like what Skechers stands for, which is originals keep moving. I think it's exactly that, to be in my shoes, because I feel like being in my shoes means being your authentic self and not being too scared to just be honest, be original, be yourself. Make mistakes, but just keep moving. And that's the motto, originals keep moving. And just hustling every day, focusing on your work, but still having fun. And yeah, that's what it's like to be in my shoes. So it's kind of perfect with Skechers.
Good to hear that. Now you know how fitness is really important for all of us right now, and not just right now, like since forever, and now more than ever, because also we're not really going out as much as we used to. और जब हम fitness की बात करते हैं, so obviously shoes is something that we definitely need, right? Like you need to find a perfect pair for your feet and all of that. So first of all, what is your fitness mantra like?
So I think my fitness mantras actually changed a lot during the lockdown because I actually wasn't a person who would like work out regularly and stuff. But I think I had the wrong idea of what working out was. I think during the lockdown, I've come to realize that I enjoy working out because of how it makes me feel, and not because I'm trying to fit into some body image or trying to build a certain body goal. And I think that's why now I enjoy working out way more, because now I like how it makes me feel. And I feel like now I listen to my body more. I like, if I don't feel like working out someday, it's fine. It's not like a pressure on me. It's more about the way I'm feeling. It's actually rewarding for my body to work out nowadays. And I've really started loving yoga recently. It's something that I discovered during the lockdown, and I feel like it's really peaceful. It's really centering, and I feel like what it does for your body is just magical.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think working out, more than my fitness mantra, just my outlook towards working out has really changed during the lockdown.
Okay, so we're gonna do something fun now. This is a little fun segment which is called Fashion Picks with Ananya Pandey.
Okay, let's do it. Is there a rapid fire?
Sort of a thing, yeah. I mean, if you can just like be quick about it, and I mean, if you want to talk about it, that's also fine. But it's completely.
No, I'll be quick.
All right, great. Love the enthusiasm. Okay, now since winters is just around the corner, what is your go-to winter outfit?
So for me, it could probably be sweatpants, a singlet, and either like a cardigan or like a jacket on top or a trench coat even could look really nice. And I think one of the printed shoes from the Delight collection, I think those would just like add the glam to the look.
Okay. According to you, who is the most fashionable actress in the Hindi film industry?
You know, someone who I think is super fun with fashion, and that's what I really like, is Jacqueline Fernandez, because I think she has a perfect mix of like sporty, chic, hot, but she also has a lot of fun with her fashion, and I really like that. I feel like fashion is really personal and you need to enjoy what you're wearing, and I really see that in her.
The most fashionable actor according to you in the Hindi film industry?
I think Ishan is really fashionable. He has a really cool sense of style, and I think he can pull off like really cool things like bucket hats and, you know, like those bum bags but over here, and I think that's really like cool.
A timeless trendsetter from the industry?
Rekha ji for sure. I think just her saris and her gajra and everything, she's just so iconic.
Perfect. A fashion trend that you absolutely love?
Sneakers. I'm a very sneaker person, so it's kind of perfect with Skechers, because I literally, you can just leave me with sneakers for the rest of my life and I will be happy, and I'll just feel like that's like my guilty pleasure, you know, sneakers. Like, I only want sneakers. Like, if someone asks me what gift you want, I like sneakers. So I'm a very sneaker person.
Okay. A fashion trend that you just don't understand?
Fur. I don't believe in animal cruelty, so like leather, fur and stuff is just not.
Okay. Who is your favorite shopping buddy?
Shania. We have really similar taste, and she's the best person to shop with because she can spot like things from like miles away. She'll see this one dress in the middle of everything and she just like knows what works.
Yeah.
So Shania is the perfect shopping.
Yeah, so
and we're the same size also.
Haan.
So whatever she shops, I can just see from her.
Great. Yeah, I mean, it's very difficult to have that eye for something, you know, पूरी भीड़ में से वो एक, you know, to take out that one particular thing.
And I'm a very lazy shopper, so I don't believe in trying on things. So I'm just like picking up and putting it in my bag, but she'll try on every single thing, what works, what doesn't, and we're the same shoe size and everything. So the Skechers are going to be going like back and forth.
Now, if you had to choose between Indian wear or Western wear, what would you choose?
Indian wear.
Indian wear, okay. Flared jeans or skinny jeans?
I used to be super into skinny jeans, but I think flared jeans can look really cool if you style them well.
Okay. Prints or solids?
I'm my dad's daughter, so prints always.
Of course. Online shopping or store shopping?
Store shopping. Online shopping, to matlab I'll just get every wrong size possible. Do not leave me with an online shopping link.
Now, this is a very obvious question. I know the answer to it, but still I'm going to ask you. Sneakers or heels?
Sneakers.
Boots or sneakers?
Sneakers. Sneakers over chappals also. Sneakers over everything.
Polka dots or stripes?
That's hard. Polka dots.
Now, a fashion advice that you kind of got from someone and you've been, you know, sort of following it.
I think never say never. I feel like when you see something and you feel like it might not work for you or you don't like it, but then you try it on and it could actually look really, really good on you. So I feel like you should never say no to trying things out because it could actually really work on your body. And the same way, if you see it and you feel like, oh my God, this is going to fit me perfectly, you should still try it on because it might not end up looking that good. So I feel like never say never and like try everything out. But I also feel like you need to be the most comfortable in what you're wearing. You know, there are a lot of like opinions and a lot of voices, but at the end of the day, you're the one who has to carry it off and, you know, pull it off and have confidence while wearing it. So I think just you should be happy and comfortable in what you're wearing, but also experiment and try things out and never say never.
Now, if you could sort of rate someone's or just take over someone's wardrobe from the industry, who would it be?
Take over and steal things from them?
Yeah, like if you could just have their wardrobe to yourself.
Can I say my dad? Because I'm anyway stealing all his clothes, like all his oversized t-shirts and all his oversized sweaters. I'm anyway stealing. So my dad. He has some really cool printed stuff. I think he can really rock like the Skechers looks also. There's some wild prints in the collection as well.
Lastly, like how I spoke to you initially and before we started the interview, that Khali Pili released recently, and I told you that I watched it and I really enjoyed it, and the response that has been coming in from the people who watched it, they are really appreciating the film for the story,
Yes.
for you, for Ishan, for everybody around it.
Yeah.
So if you can tell me a little about how has that response been for you, since the film released?
It's extremely overwhelming, the response, for sure, because for me this was like a very different role to do. It was something that I was again experimenting with. It was something different that I was doing, and the kind of the Skechers motto was playing in my head, originals keep moving, when I was doing it, because I really, it was tough for me to get that lingo and that accent, because it's very different from how I am as a person. But I think everything was worth it after people watched the film and appreciated us in the film and appreciated the film. And it's a very entertaining film. It's it's I think needed in a time like this, when people just want to have fun and smile and just watch like a filmy picture, like those films from
Like a
the 80s
masala
and
film,
stuff.
yeah.
A full-on masala film. It had like action, drama, romance and stuff. And I think a really good thing with OTT is that the love doesn't stop coming, because people can just watch it like 10 months later, 1 year later, 2 years later. So there are always new responses coming. So it's a lot of fun. It's a very different way of like a release of a film, but I'm very happy and I feel very grateful for the response.
And like you told me initially that you are in Goa right now, and
Yes.
you're filming for. If you could just tell me a little about your upcoming projects and what exactly are we going to see you next in?
So again, you're not going to see me in very different things. I think from my first film only, I've been making the slightly unconventional choices, even with Pati Patni or Wo, playing a slightly older woman, and then with Khali Pili, obviously doing something very different. And I'm working with Shakun Batra, who's like a dream director. Like, he was literally on my bucket list, and I got to tick it off. So for me, that was like a very special feeling. So I'm very excited about this film. I don't exactly know how to label this genre, because I don't think there's been anything like this. So I'm very excited, and it's again a very different role. It's just a different story only. But I think this working experience for me is just going to be it's like a learning experience. Like, I'm constantly just like writing things down, and I'm like, okay, this person said that, this person said this. So it's like I'm back in school for me. And then I'm also working with Puri Jagannath sir on my first pan-India film, which is again full-on masala, fun, everything. So I'm just really excited now for things to just come out and for people to see.
Well, it's really glad to hear that, and it's really nice to connect with you. I really had a good time. Really had a good time knowing, all these really cool fashion choices that I'm sure that are going to come in handy for a lot of people out there. So thank you for that. And thank you for connecting.
Thank you.
And all the very best for all your upcoming projects that we're going to see you in.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.